Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make smoothie at home. Choose a base like 1 cup milk, yogurt, or juice, then add 1 to 2 cups fruit, a scoop of protein, and a handful of ice. Use a blender on medium speed, pulse to break ice, then blend until smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness or thickness with honey or extra liquid. Store or serve immediately for best flavor. Choosing ingredients is easy and flexible, and small swaps change results fast. Use 1 cup frozen berries or 1 banana for sweetness, then add 1 cup liquid and 1/4 cup yogurt for body. For thicker texture, add less liquid or include 1/2 avocado or a handful of oats. If you want it colder, add a few ice cubes. Adjust sweetness with honey or a splash of juice. Blend with confidence using simple steps that prevent lumps and mess. Put liquids in first, then soft ingredients, and frozen items last so blades circulate them smoothly. Pulse a few times to break down chunks, then blend on medium-high until silky, usually 30 to 60 seconds depending on power. Taste and tweak thickness with small amounts of liquid or ice. Rinse and clean right after for easy care.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.